All right. Hi, and welcome to the How Plant Scientists Work series at Plant Biology 2016 in Austin, Texas. I'm Ian, and I'm sitting here with Bethany from Michigan State University, and she's going to tell us a little bit about how she works. So, hi, Bethany. Tell us a little bit about yourself and your background.
Sure. So I work in plant microbe interactions at Michigan State University, where I'm a graduate student. I actually work in two great labs. So I work with Shengyang He and Brown and Montgomery. So it's been an awesome experience working with both of them.
Okay, great. And and then what's one word that describes how you work?
I'm going with methodically.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. All right. And what's a favorite thing that you do at work?
My most favorite thing at work is interacting with people.
Okay.
I love talking with people.
Okay.
Learning
Good.
about them.
Yeah, I'm here doing this. I clearly agree with you on that level. All right. So what's your favorite plant?
So I can't pick one favorite tree, but I really love trees in general, especially the kind that wave at you.
Like in the wind?
Like the popple trees, the poplar trees, and they dance. And
yes. Yep.
I really like them.
Okay. And so what's one interesting project you've been working on lately?
Well, I've been spending a lot of time investigating how elevated temperature affects a plant's ability to defend themselves against bacterial diseases. Yeah, so I work mostly with salicylic acid, which most people know as aspirin, and the plants make it to help themselves stay healthy when they're getting attacked, and somehow at high temperature they can't make it anymore, and I'm trying to figure out why.
Oh, they can't make salicylic acid anymore?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, okay. Interesting. And how much higher does the temperature have to be before it's
inhibited? So anywhere between 27, 28 to 30 above.
Degrees Celsius.
Yeah, degrees Celsius, exactly.
Okay.
So not really hot.
So not an
just
extreme.
Moderately hot, yeah.
Okay, so let's get to the interview questions. And what's the best thing that you've ever learned?
The best thing I ever learned is that I actually have something unique to offer to people.
All right. Yeah, that's actually that's a really good one. That's a great answer. All right, so the next question, how do you learn new things?
I've found the best way to learn things is by doing them. So as you had said in your interview, which everyone should watch, is that there's a lot of things that you get. I think as scientists we're all kind of perfectionists, like you said.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And so you get intimidated that I'm going to try this, I'm going to fail, so I'd rather not try. And I found that if I just kind of try, that I actually can do a lot more than I thought.
Yep.
And that's very rewarding.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. Yep. All right. So the last question, what do you spend time thinking about that's not your next proposal, publication, or project deadline?
I mostly think about how to bring people together. So I really love interacting with people. And I think what I find most satisfying personally is helping people find ways to connect with each other. So drawing people out, because again, as scientists, we kind of also tend to be introverted. And so helping to kind of draw out of people the gifts they have to offer other people and helping them realize their potential, I find very satisfying.
Yes, me too. That's what your Community of Minds project is about, right?
That's right.
Yep. Okay. Sorry, I thought I mentioned that.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Do you want to say anything more about it?
Yeah, so I have started at on our floor, we have an open research floor. There's 3 labs, Shengyang He, Greg Howe, and Brad Day. And 2 years ago, I started a group called the Pub Club, which was, like you said, a way of bringing people together and giving them an informal, safe space to talk about science and interact at different levels of undergrad to graduate student, postdoc, and professor. And so, yeah, the theme behind that is a community of minds and encouraging people to find and build their own community of minds and tap into that as a resource that can help them to find their passion, develop their skills, and figure out what they're really wanting to do that makes them happy.
All right, great. And last thing, who would you like to see answer these interview questions next?
I think Mary Williams would be awesome.
Yeah, I think she would be great
too.
So
she's given so much to us, so it'd be great to hear.
And she does. Yep. And yeah, I will send these questions to her.
Awesome.
All right, Bethany, thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you, Ian.